bad, but guys, we're doing some grocery shopping, so that's what's going on, you guys. Where's the cow? Do you see cow? Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are tidying up some stuff in the thing. I'm gonna be taking down the table, so that's what's going on, you guys. Taking down the table. Dad and Helen helped us get things downstairs done, packed and put in boxes. So this is the thing. We got the mostly all the stuff is almost packed except for the upstairs and some odd stuff in laundry baskets. But it was a great day today for packing boxes, you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting. So because to this episode, guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good night.